I'm just hanging out. I'm going live. I was just live doing a live video and then I accidentally exited off.
Oh no.
Yeah. Dude, I'm honestly liking the way your hair is growing.
Thank you.
Are you gonna grow it out?
I think so, yeah.
Cool. 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 It's unique.
Thank
It
you.
looks like the clouds. Impressive. Where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going? You going
I
on an
gotta go
adventure?
to the dentist.
The dentist.
Yeah.
Man, don't let them fluoridate your mouth.
I'll try not to.
Okay.
See you later.
See you. I had to tell him not to let the dentist fluoridate his mouth. Man, the government be like, oh man, put this in your mouth. It'll protect you. It'll protect you from your sins of being dirty. What is this place? Deja vu. Deja vu. I'm deja vu. What even are you? What may I do? What may I do? I do this like two, to the moon. I fly to the moon and realize it's just a light. Realize it's just a little piece of brightness. This is how I do this. I give you a little kiss on your forehead, and then I wake up. I wake up from bed, and it was all a dream, and I don't really know what it is that it really meaned. Meaned. Why are you so mean? Why you got these angry? Felt me. Yes, I felt angry, and no, I don't, like, I'll get angry, and then I'll go, "Ah!" And, yeah, no, I was just explaining what I do when I get mad. Yeah. No, I'm not mad. I was just explaining, like, you know, I was just reminiscing on, like, moments where I've gotten mad. I'll do that, and then I'll just, just let it all out, and I don't have to get mad anymore. But if I do that around people, they'll freak out, and they'll think I'm really mad, and then that'll make them even more mad, and it'll just perpetuate the madness. Perpetuate the madness. You're sorry? For what? You didn't interrupt me with what? No, you can never interrupt. Nobody can interrupt anything. Like, you're just joining. You're just joining. You're just joining. You see, earlier I was thinking about trying to do like a light language type thing where I just said random noises to try to, like, yeah. And this sculpture is, why is it doing this? I could just do this. Imagine just doing this for eternity. Just eternally sculpting, and not even paying attention to what you're sculpting. But sometimes, because you make a certain pattern, another pattern will manifest. That's literally what the universe is doing, and that's literally why I'm doing this. The universe is just sculpting itself, and it seems to just do the same pattern, and only the same pattern, man. There's no really reasoning for any pattern. It just the patterns just happen. Ah, ooh, yeah. The patterns just happen. Only here's why the patterns happen. The patterns happen because they've happened previously, and they always build upon itself. Like, you do one pattern, and then another pattern, and then you'll do another pattern, and then you'll just, like, autofill. And that's what the universe is doing. It's just autofilling the same pattern. That's why there's the same freaking human, the same freaking archetype. But, like, what I'm saying is, let's break the pattern. Let's break the pattern. Let's do something new. Yeah, okay, yeah, you can join. You can definitely join Jory because I'm not here anymore. I was gonna go live with Zen, but dang, I'll go live with Zen eventually. Hey Jory, you out here drinking? You out here, what's in the cup today?
It's some Amsterdam vodka.
Oh, very interesting.
Just
This fool's laying in the grass and he still got his backpack on. So I took it off, and I'll show you what's in my cup.
oh,
I got some.
that
I got
looks some tea, man.
I got some chai. I got some chai spice, and I also had some coffee.
This is tea right here.
Tea,
Yeah.
tea. Torrent.
I drink it like this with my pinky up.
Hey, do you think if I put rocks in the do you think if I put rocks in the clay it would still fire? Like, well, it might explode. Oh, I should put imprint leaves into the clay.
What are you doing? You making clay figures?
Yeah.
Sort of.
Oh yeah. Have you ever done like light language?
No, what's that?
You don't know what that is? That's whenever you completely just let go. You let go of all your judgments and stuff, and you just start making noises, and it ends up being channeled channeled noises, channeled languages.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'll get you some. I'll snag you some clay, Emma, and I'll bring it to you when I come visit. Okay, so let's try it.
Meadows AX says, I want some clay.
Yeah, no, I already responded. See, but you see, I responded. You said that. I only responded because you read the comment because I unconsciously knew that you would read that comment.
Hell yeah.
Is it hot where I'm at? Yo, yes. I should not have any clothes on right now. It's so hot. It's like, can you tell because I'm sweating? But I don't focus on the heat, so it doesn't really affect me very much. But now that you said that, I realize that I'm sweating. But yeah, so you want to try some light language?
Come on,
let's do this.
Come on. You don't want to be out.
Boing, 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 boing. It's funny.
Chunky, ting, 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 bing, bing, bong, ting, chong, ting, ting. It kind of sounds Chinese.
Yeah, but what are the random? But like, what? See, it sounds silly. It sounds ridiculous. But what are the random noises that are going to appear, like out of your, like whenever you just start making noises? Like, it's not random. Like, there's a reason why certain noises are coming out of you at any moment. Like, why did I say boing? Why did you say ting? It's random. But there is no randomness because this is divine randomness. This is planned randomness. And we've talked before about how everything is channeling. And so I'm gonna try this.
Hell yeah.
Boing, 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 ya, ya, boing, 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 Asapo, Saka, Buna, La Mamaya, Namala, Bala, Boom, 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 Bala, Papa, Papaya, Poo, Papa, Papa. I'm doing a light language.
Boop, bop, ting, 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 ting. He's
Dasenga watalabuba nima hu nalaba, ubacha ya pakatu, the ja, la boo 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 boo, sapa ba boo boo boo, ba la boo 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 la blah blah boo. Yaka na mu satza, wabandia ba, boo boo boo, la ba zu, kadazia, bazu, 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 baza. That's amazing.
This is
That's
how
amazing.
shit starts. We're gonna end up creating our own language. And
Well,
then,
imagine
how else
doing
would you
that.
start it?
Imagine doing that. Just imagine doing that for so long that you just start thinking like that. That's what this language is. That's what this matrix that we exist in is. It's just people just started making random noises and like until it became something, and then the noises, and we realized like what we could do with the noises, and then
Go on.
you know because it became something, and then once it became something, we could create something with the noises. Nakala bumba bumba ya buba buba da buba la pachiba chapa kumba da la buba ya ba buchi kata da you ya buba la buba la tika da, and it goes to a rhythm.
Hell yeah.
People talk. Okay, so here's what's wild. Like I've been at states where people are talking, right? And I don't know what, like, there's so many people in a room talking that it all mixes together and it just sounds like that. And mostly what they're talking about, because I'm thinking about way wild, like, things, right? I'm like out of the world type things. And then what they're talking about is everything that people are talking about is I'm going over here and I've been over there, and I'm going over here and I've been over there, and I did this and I did that, and I'm going to do this. And everybody's just talking about that, and it's all about directions. And so it's getting mixed together. And so all these directions are getting mixed together. And that's what this universe is. A bunch of mixed together directions. And that's what it sounds like. It's not nonsense.
This is a very intelligent conversation. Because when you think about it, what kind of conversations is the average person having with their family members, with people in their lives on a daily basis? It pretty much comes down to people just making sounds. Like, how are you doing? Good. No one's fucking talking to each other. No one's expressing any type of emotion. Just fucking zombies.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's supposed to be that way. The reason why we say, how are you doing? And people say good is because, like, they just been trained to, like, want to be good, because that's the vibration that we are trying to put energy towards. Like, we're trying to bring energy towards a vibration of that sort of intensity.
So, like, my dad, we have conversations, but it's not really that deep. He tells me to take out the garbage or to cut the grass. And
right,
that's just practically making sounds. I'm better off going ping dicka ping dicka ping dicka ting tong ting 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 ting.
Yo, Brian, let's go to fuck the Kuma. Oh my god, la booba be off the board. Yeah, literally. That's all it sounds like. It's like, yeah, it's just people talking about, what they're doing, like where they're going, and like what they want people to do, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just interesting. It's just one way to do it. And it's deep. I mean, I'm not saying that there's anything that's not deep. Everything is so deep. Yeah, and so there's an intention behind that. Like, there's always going to be an intention. So have you tried making something and like thinking about something while you're making that, and then that intention, without the word, just giving it the feeling, and then so you're putting that intention into whatever it is that you're making.
Yeah. Fucking intention's really strong. Isn't it like the first thing, like about like creating a spell? All you need to do is just like put your intent into it. and then believe that it will manifest. Then leave it alone, right? Just fucking leave it. Let it unravel. Let it be, like the Beatles song. But then see me, I fuck things up in my life. I try to like rest it and then make this fucking shit fit, and I try to usurp authority over everything in my life, and I fuck it up. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Have a fucking drink, right?
Man, I just zoned out when you were talking, so I wasn't meant to hear that at that moment. So if we're able to do that, if we're able to just zone out when somebody's talking, just think about all the things that we're zoning out, we're not paying attention to, that we're zoning out, that's occurring.
Yeah,
you know, like there's so much happening, there's so much occurring, and it's like that we're not aware of, right? But we can be aware of it. But we're just their voice. That's all that we are. That's all I am. All I am is a voice. All I am is a voice in a screen. A voice to a screen.
All I am is a battery that needs to be utilized and taken advantage of. Man, fucking life. Fucking life. What the fuck? You know?
I agree.
You know, everything is wonderful. Everything is beautiful.
I'm not even judging it. Besides the judgment of being weird, like why are we like what? This is just like we don't even have to try. We don't even have to try. Trying is what screws it all up.
But what if what that reminds me of is like when John Lennon said in that song, he said it's easy if you try, in the song Imagine.
Okay, but guess what the Rolling Stones said?
What did they say?
They said, I can't get no satisfaction 'cause I try. 'Cause I try. 'Cause I try.
Hell yeah.
But
yeah. And they would
But they're talking about two different things. John Lennon is talking about imagining. And that's different. That's different. You can imagine. You can try to imagine. But if you try to bring that imagination into reality, what you need to do is just you try to imagine, and then you let go and let that imagination take over. What is on your hat, and why do you always wear that hat?
This is the official Jory Richard hat. I've been wearing it, making videos for like the last 3 years. So like you could go back in time. I'm dancing with the fucking hat. My very first video that I ever made, it was called Don't Follow Jesus Christ. And then that video, I actually got 100 views. So it went viral, man. 100 motherfuckers watched that shit.
Well, guess what? I got a video that had 20K views.
What? What the fuck? No way.
Yeah. It was a video called XXXTentacion is not dead. And it got 20K views.
Oh yeah?
And I'm so proud. Yeah, really.
Damn,
And
I need to talk about XXX Kashian.
Well, people definitely hated on it, but I was saying it's probably one of the greatest videos I ever made. And also, the crazy thing is, before I made it, I knew how people were going to react to it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because of imagine, you know, it's easy if you try. It's easy if you try. And that song is amazing. Imagine, like, what do you think is going on right now? Like, that whole song is a dang magic trick. Like, he's making it happen. He's making everybody thinking about there being no religion. He's making everybody think about all this and what's occurring. Like, yeah, there's none of that anymore. And it's slowly becoming that. It's coming into a world of of unity and imagination.
There he is. There's John Lennon and Yoko.
Let's summon John Lennon. Man,
Hey, man. I mean, I would be the same way with fucking women. I would, if I was John Lennon, I would go crazy for Yoko too. I mean, Yoko was cool as fuck, man. She would like bang her fucking psycho and it's like,
For some reason, I have this feeling of like I don't want to give energy to either of them, but like at the same, but I know that they're like reflections of me, and so I mean I respect that. Gwen, hi.
What about Adolf Hitler?
I respect Adolf Hitler. I respect everybody. I respect everybody's purpose in this place, in this world.
You know, we should start calling them switches the first letter from his name to the last letter and then flip them and call him like Adolf Hitler.
Okay, that's very creative.
You know, because he's like hating it. You know, hate Adolf. Yeah, Adolf.
But,
yeah, you're acting like Adolf Hitler over there.
I'm so entranced by these dinosaurs.
Hey, I don't believe dinosaurs ever went extinct.
So I started talking about dinosaurs, like, and it wasn't even connected to you talking about dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs never went extinct.
Yeah. It's the synchronicity that happens all day to me. And, like, that just means, like, that's what's been going on with tattoos for me today, and also dinosaurs. So, like, maybe I need to get a tattoo of a dinosaur.
I was thinking about getting my face tattooed.
Please get your face tattooed. Get a tattoo of a dinosaur on your face. I'll design it.
I was going to get the official Jory Richards symbol tattooed on my head and then get a bunch of fucking teardrops. So just to, like, show everyone that I fucking murdered people. Because then, I mean, if girls think that I murder people, of course they're going to want to, like, have sex with me and shit. I mean, that's all you have to do. You got to come across as a fucking badass that don't give a fuck. And girls just want to have fucking fun. So that's why I'm going to get teardrops tattooed here. I'm going to get an anchor. Like an anchor of the fucking soul.
Are you talking about this phone here? It could be. The Jory Richard is sitting here talking here, so.
Beep! 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 What do you Luca? Look at this little dog. This little dog comes here and he wants me to, like, stop my video and pet him or something. Come on, get out of here! What are you doing?
Juju eyeball? Yo, one time somebody asked me, what is a juju eyeball? In a spirit question. For me to draw it. And I did it. And it was crazy. Because I always wondered, what is a juju eyeball? I never even heard about a juju eyeball until somebody asked me, what is a juju eyeball? And then I drew it. You were at the sale that day? can't recall. Can you remind me a little more? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I remember that now. I remember that. Yeah. I remember that alternate version. But yeah, I do love you guys.
Why do people say bad juju? Like, that's bad juju. Is juju like a type of like voodoo or something? Should I be learning juju? Maybe juju is like the gateway for me to manifest whatever the fuck I want.
Jory, I could have gone live with Zen Atman.
What?
I could have gone live with Zen Atman.
What is
I
that?
went live with you. You don't know who Zen Atman is?
No.
Oh, hey. Well, I'll go live with them later. But I'll send you the link.
What?
Is
What? So you're not enjoying this experience? You're like, man,
no, that's what I was gonna lead that to was I didn't. And then you showed up. And so this is meant to be. I'm meant to be with you, Jory. But as for juju, like I think juju just means like energy.
go lay down.
But I mean everything means energy, but like juju means I do want to know what juju means. Jew.
Oh, so that's like double bad.
Juju? Gwen says that she feels as though juju means third eye. So it's your third eye. Juju eyeball is your third eye. Oh yeah. Maybe that's like maybe that's like another name for your third eye is your juju eyeball. I like that. What are you looking for?
I just start thinking about like Zionist Jews and shit.
That's a bad Jew.
It's a bad motherfucking Jew. Watch out for the fucking Zionist Jews. They just want to take your money, make you a slave.
No.
But then, see, mind over matter, right? Mind over fucking matter. I defeat anything and I create all things with my fucking mind. So I must be creating this fucking Zionist Jew shit in my fucking mind. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this shit?
It's a reflection of you that you need to accept and integrate into your being. That you are a Zionist. You are a Zionist Jew.
I am.
Look at all that you've done for this world. Look at this beautiful world that you've created. You know, everybody's flourishing with all their money and their materialist items just because of our banking system that we've made. But I'll tell you what's really going on, man. So you know those indigenous cultures that like we just now accessed?
Green Inferno?
Well, there's indigenous cultures, right, that don't have access to our world. This is very similar to us. We are an indigenous culture, and there's a huge society of humans that live in Antarctica. And that's why we're not allowed in Antarctica, because there's a giant society of humans that live there. And they're just using us. They're just using us as entertainment on social media. They're watching us right now. Where basically all they do is just sit, chill, and like laugh at everything I say. But they also
that sounds cool. I like that kind of life. Sit, chill, and laugh. Sounds good to me.
Well, no, our purpose is to entertain them. Like, and I'm down to be an entertainer for these Antarcticans. And the Antarcticans they fly dragons. That's where all the dinosaurs went. All the dinosaurs went to Antarctica. Damn. They did, didn't they?
I do believe that there's one species of dinosaurs that never went extinct.
Humans.
Dude, the fucking dinosaur. You ever see the movie Land Before Time? That fucking cartoon? That dinosaur like a camel, one with the long fucking neck. So there's this tribe in Africa, and I don't know what the fucking name of the tribe is, but they called the dinosaur Miko Bolembe. It kind of sounds like how we were just making those silly sounds. Miko Bolembe. But there is a lake in Africa the size of Illinois. And these fucking people in the tribe, they see this Miko Bolembe, this fucking dinosaur swimming around in the water. And see, like, alligators are fucking dinosaurs. I see lizards like the little fucking Geico lizard. That's a fucking dinosaur. So
yeah, I got one of those. I'll show you later.
Huh?
I got one of those. Yeah, okay, yeah. I mean, yeah. There's no... Dinosaur is not like a certain type of species. It's just like a category for like a lot of different types of species. But, dude... Yeah, there's some dinosaurs out there. I mean, but dinosaurs also, they're not what we think they are, you know. And there are the types of dinosaurs that, you know, dragons, right?
What if I'm a fucking dinosaur? What if I'm the fucking dinosaur? We're like, where are the fucking dinosaurs? Where do these dinosaurs go? And it turns out like me and you are the fucking dinosaurs, and we don't even know it. Shit.
We evolved from dinosaurs. Hey, I gotta go because my phone is really low, and I gotta keep it for like a couple more hours. I don't have my charger.
All right, cool, bro. I'll see you, bro.
Peace. Wholeness. Maybe, keep the, okay, so anyways, dinosaurs, like, you can be a dinosaur at any moment. Like, you can.